Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Lafferty. I graduated with my undergrad in criminal justice and psychology from Penn State in May. Right now I am working at a med spa facility. So I worked there throughout my undergrad and they always, worked with my school schedule and, they were really great to me. So right now I am going to be there for a couple more months. I just had a baby in November and they are really being great to me for, having patience with me and my schedule as I transition into, figuring out school, work, baby balance. But yeah, so I did my undergrad at Penn State with criminal justice and psych background. I did my internship at a juvenile corrections facility in PA. I really enjoyed it. They actually offered me a position per diem. So I am thinking about taking that up on that offer. I was offered it when I was pregnant still, so I didn't want to make the transition when I was pregnant, and then had to go on maternity leave. So I explained that to them and they were very understanding. Um, in past courses, I really enjoyed that we were able to use our imagination. In group work, I feel as if we were able to relate our course material to scenarios that we may really encounter within the social work field. So I think that's really important that we're getting that opportunity in courses, with a professor checking over our work to make sure we're on the right track before we're actually in the field. So I think it's important to not just be constantly reading from a textbook, that we're able to actually apply our course knowledge to scenarios that we might be in. I found that really interesting, fun, not so easy, but because, there's a million different scenarios you can be put in, and the course material always isn't just black and white. There's some gray areas. So it can be challenging, but I think that's what made it interesting and fun. I'm looking forward in this class to just learn, the professor's teaching style, grading style. I really enjoy this program so far, so I'm sure I'll enjoy this course just as much. I'm not really looking forward to how heavily the discussion posts are graded. I feel like as if I do run into some trouble writing responses to other classmates and peers, but I do think, it's important that I get better at that. I can see where I would definitely use that in the social work setting in various different jobs. And so I'm looking forward to hopefully getting better at that. I look forward to this class with you all, and good luck.